Good morning, good morning. This is Miss Ross. Today we're going to be doing page 589. And we're going to just kind of pick and choose on these problems here today, but I wanted to do these with you because I think it's easier to figure out volume when you've got it on paper right in front of you. So again, you're on page 589, and we're going to do these together, okay? I'm going to cross off 1 and 2, and we're going to jump right into the meat and potatoes. Okay, so for number 3, it says use unit cubes to make a model of each rectangular prism. Find the volume. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to figure out volume by using layers. Okay, so think of this as a cake. And if you're looking at this cake, it has one layer there, and it has another layer there. So it is 2 layers thick, okay? And it is 2 layers thick, and each layer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Each layer is 4 units. So you're gonna do 2 layers times 4 in each layer gives you a volume of 8 cubic units, okay? And cubic units is just a fancy way of saying cubes, all right? Let's look at number 4. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it is 1 layer thick. So it is 1 layer times 12 gives you 12 cubic units. All right, now let's come on down here to number 5, okay? For number 5, how many layers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 layers. And each layer, I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see it. Each layer, you can figure it out by counting the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each layer of this box is 9. So you've got 3 layers times 9 in each layer gives you 27, and I'm just going to say units cubed. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one. We've got 1, 2, 3 layers. So 1, 2, 3 layers, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 layers times 8 in each layer gives you 24 units cubed. Okay, next one, let's look at this one. Sorry, my alarm is going off. Stop. All right, so for this one, I've got 1 layer, 2 layers. And we can look at 1 layer here, and all you need to do is put dots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so this is 2 layers times 20 in each layer equals 40 units cubed. Okay, so, but let's figure out if we didn't want to put dots in all of the blocks, one of the things that we could do, well, we could take this side right here, which is 4 units long, and we can multiply it by this side, which is 5. So 4 times 5 would give you 20 in this top layer, okay? All right, next one, number 8. We've got 1, 2 layers, so 2, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each layer. 2 times 8 is 16. All right, for this one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. And there are 1, 2 blocks in each layer. So 5 layers times 2 in each is 10 in all. All right, let's take a look at this one. Oh, and pardon me, remember that this is always units cubed. Units cubed, because they're cubes. Let's take a look at this one. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3 layers tall, and each layer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we've got 3 times 6 equals 18 units cubed. All right, let's try another one. All right, down here, we've got 1, 2, 3. All right, another way that people like to talk about finding the volume of a cube or a volume of a solid figure like this is you can do the base times the height. Okay, and if you can see the top, then the base is going to look exactly the same. So what you can do is, you know, it's 3 high, and the base is going to be the exact same as the top. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 in each layer times 3 for the height equals 36 units cubed. Okay. So like I said, the top and the base will be the exact same. The base is the bottom. All right, here's another one. We've got, it's 2 units tall. Okay, so that's our height. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 in each layer times 2 layers gives you 24 units cubed. And we'll do this one, but we're not really there yet. We're going to learn more about additive volume later. But to figure this one out, you'll figure out this box and then add these 6 boxes to it. So you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 6, right? So let's figure out the tower here. So the tower is 1, 2, 3, 4 units tall, and each layer is 4 in each layer. So to figure out this one, you're going to do 4 tall times 4 in each layer gives you 16. Don't forget to add these extra 6 over here to give you 22 units cubed. But like I said, we'll learn more about this later. All right, so now what you're going to do is you are going to go into your math textbook and you are going to complete page 591. Looks like this. Looks like this. It's page 591. I want you to do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These ones here are bonus. If you think you can figure them out, I'd be interested to see you try, because these are a little bit more difficult. As I said, these are additive volumes, so you'll have to figure out the volume of the bottom and then the volume of the top. And then here, this one is definitely challenging. All right, so you're going to do these, and then you will submit a picture to your Google, you'll submit a picture into Canvas so I can see your work. Okay, thanks, guys.